Our knowledge of logarithms, we can calculate the time period for both the appreciation and depreciation formula of compound interest. Right? So let's do an example. So, but this should not take you long to copy down. Okay, copy down. If you're behind, you can copy down later. Right? Example. So here, the question says, send a deposit 25,000 rand into a savings account. Right? Now, this is very important before you start carrying on. The moment you see this, it means among these two formulae, the one that we are dealing with, the first one, the appreciation formula. Because we are dealing with what? Saving money. Right? The interest rate is 18% per annum compounded monthly. How long? Okay, now we are talking about time. How long will it take for her savings to grow to 40,000 rand? So we want to calculate the number of years. Please take note here, it's the number of years here. It says how long, right? But when we do the calculation for n, we are going to get n as the number of months. Then we convert the number of months to the number of years. Do you understand that? Right, so let's list what we have. First, our P is 25,000 rand and our A is 40,000 rand. Then the interest is 0.18, and this will divide it by 12 because the interest is 18% compounded monthly, right? So we have got, then our N, we don't know. Right? We don't know the end. Now, it's very important for you to be aware that for this question, because of this 12 here, it means that the n that I'm going to calculate is going to be the total number of months that the interest is going to be compounded. It's not the number of years. But our final answer must be the number of years. Okay? So, write the formula A equals P times 1 plus I raised to the power of n. Where there is A, you put 40,000 there. Where there is P, you put 25,000. Then 1 plus 0.18 over 12, all raised to the power of n. Right? Then, from here, we divide both sides by 25,000. Okay? So if I divide both sides by 25,000, sorry, so it will be 40,000 over 25,000. Right? Can someone, well, okay, don't do anything because this decimal here might be a little bit small. We don't want to convert it to, okay, can someone try to convert it to a proper fraction, if it's possible, improper fraction? This result, the sum in the brackets, right? So that will be 25,000 over 25,000 times 1 plus 0.18 over 12, all raised to the power of 12. Sorry, not 12, n rather. Right. Okay, so if I divide this, I'll get 8 over 5 is equal to 1 plus 0.18 over 12, all raised to the power of n. Right. Now from there now, we can bring in the logarithms. Okay? Do you remember when I taught you this, doing the exponential equation and stuff, where if you had, say, let's say x is equal to, let's start with y. Y is equal to 2 to the power of x. If you want to make x the subject, you remember what we were doing last time? I told you that the base of the exponential is the base of the what? Of the logarithm. So when we want to make x the subject, it becomes x is equal to x, sorry, x will be equal to the logarithm to base of what? Of 2 of y. Remember that? Yeah, you did logs last time. You cannot behave like you didn't do logs. You did logs, right? So if you want to solve for x there, right? The base of the exponential is also the base of the logarithm.
So you stop at the second step. You don't say why you make it.
Remember, when we were saying y equal to, because we're dealing with inverse functions. Here we are not dealing with the inverses, right? We want to make x the what? The subject. That's the objective. So yes. So this n here is like this x. So our objective is to solve for what? For n, right? And our base is the sum of 1 plus 0.18 over 12. That's our base. Fortunately, your calculator can accommodate it. And I think I need to bring the calculator in. Alright. Alright. Can you come back to the lesson? Alright, so what I did here, I'm gonna do it here as well. Okay? So this 8 over 5 is like the y. The n is like the x. So I can write n is equal to logarithm of okay, let me put the base first to be 1 plus 0.18 over 12. That's the base of 8 over 5. Okay, wait. Yes. No. I'm sorry, yes, it's going to be in months. Then you have to convert it to yes. Alright, can I have your attention? So once we are here now, let's bring the calculator. Remember, the n that we are going to get is the number of months. So we say log, now in this case, it will be shift, okay, this one here, right? You have to be very careful which one to use. So I want the one with the, where I can put the base, so 1, that will be 1 plus, then put the fraction option 0.18. Avoid working with decimals. Avoid working with decimals. Then I'll divide that by 12. Then I'll put my base, sorry, okay, it's not my base rather, but the actual number that I want to find is logarithm. So since it's a fraction, I'll put 8 there, then divide that by 5. Right? Then I'll get 31, 5, 6, 7, and so on. So that, okay, let me just write 31, 5, 6, 7, 9, 9, dot, dot. So n is going to be 31, 5, 6, 7, 9, 9, dot, dot. Now these are the number of what? Of months. If I want to get the number of years, I have to divide that n by 12. You understand that? Because you can be tempted to stop there. For this question, if you stop there, then it means you haven't answered there. How long? Okay. So here I can say n is going to be equal to, let me divide this by 12, and then you get 2.63 years. 2.63 years. If we want, you can go further to calculate the number of months. All right. We can say 2 years and so n will be 2 years and right. If you want to calculate the number of months, make sure you pay attention here. What you can do is subtract 2 from that so that we can get that decimal. Are you following what I'm saying? Yes. Subtract the whole number, then you get this. Yeah. Right. Then you multiply this by 12 to convert the decimal to Number of months. Remember, the 0.63 is a fraction of a year. So I'm saying let's calculate the number of months equivalent to 0.63 of a year. That's what I'm saying.
That's what you say. That's
Times 12 years. Yes. And then you get that. So, all right. Okay, wait. Now, because it's 7.56, that 0.5 there, it means it's more like half a month. Right? No, I'm not going to go as far as calculating half a month. Those are weeks now. Okay? That's like 2 weeks. That's 0.5. All right, listen. Can I have your attention? Can I have your attention, please? So I'm going to put 7 months. 2 years, it's approximately 2 years and what? 7 months. So this will be 2 years and 7 months.
So you can subtract by 2 and then 1 side.
Yes, you can.
But then 2 is not.
Right? Or if you want, you can just write it 2.63 years.
Yeah.
Right? But here I've been very specific. Right? Then this also we can say n is also equal to, let me use a different color. My mother told me to choose that one.